So if in Python you have like name, nono, and place, Spain, you can do a format and say name and place. Then boom, I can define a set of params. So I just have an array of things, and I can also format it like this. And if you do this, it will fail. But you can add, so this is just putting an array here. But if you add the asterisk, that works. Isn't that awesome? I discovered this recently. I don't know what it does. So just doing something like this. That's cool. I like that too. If you have any other tips on how to format your strings in any language, just put them on the chat, put it on the comment. I would love to learn more about it. That was Nono Martinez Alonso. If you enjoy this content and this is a type of videos that you would like to see more of, click ahead and like the video. And subscribing is useful if you want to get notified when I upload new videos or when I go live. You can join us on the Discord community at nono.mas/Discord. I would like to thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.